Hi beauties, I hope you're all doing well and welcome to a 2-day full house spring clean with me. So go ahead and make yourself a coffee or a tea and you can pop me up on the TV or you could bring your phone along with you and we can deep clean together for spring. My advice to the ladies or anyone who cares about their skin health is wear gloves while you're cleaning or using harsh chemicals because it will dry out your skin and age you a lot faster. Our hands are one of those areas like our neck or our chest that we forget to take care of and that really show our age later in life. Here I am using the 000 grade steel wool to get rid of hard water stains on our waterfall sinks. This works okay, but if you have any better suggestions, leave them in the comments. My secret to keeping my glass shower doors clean is starting with a cleaning vinegar, so that's a higher acid vinegar, and then I'm gonna rub it all in with the Scrub Daddy. And I'm gonna try to get rid of most of what I can with the Scrub Daddy and the vinegar. Once I'm done scrubbing, I'm going to rinse that vinegar with the warm water. Next, I'm going to be using that 000 grade steel wool to take off the rest of the hard water stains. It's kind of crazy. You'll see, like, literally it all just melt away. It's one of my favorite tricks on glass shower doors. Now that we've finished rinsing the doors, we can go ahead and try to prevent the doors from getting dirty again by drying them off and spraying them with some Rain-X. And it is time for our 10-minute check-in. How is everyone's cleaning going? It has officially been 10 minutes, so you're either 10 minutes into cleaning your space or 10 minutes into being motivated to clean your space. So I hope it is going well. By the way, that is avocado oil that I am rubbing all over the cast iron grates. I find it's the best way to clean them, and I usually use a silicone sponge so that it's not absorbing all that oil and wasting oil. This is the new Shark 3-in-1, and I have just been so in love with it. It's basically a vacuum, a steam mop, and a scrub brush all in one, and I adore this thing. It's so great for a huge house when you're having to do those 3 things all the time. Well, that about wraps up our spring clean with me. Don't forget to share this video with a friend who has been saying over and over again that they need to clean their space, but they just need a little bit of motivation. And don't forget to save this video for later for yourself so that you can have cleaning motivation whenever you need it. If this video helped motivate you to clean your space or you just enjoyed watching it, don't forget to help support my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Bye guys.